Good day mga loves! Welcome back to my channel, and for those who are new, my name is Isa Castro and welcome to my fitness journey. So guys, I just want to give you an update kung ano bang nangyari sa akin for the past month of July. Nag-start ako ng aking weight loss journey July the 1st and I was weighing around 75 kilograms at that time. So ngayon, it's August the 1st already. Grabe ang bilis. Tapos na pala ang month of July. So August na, tapos magsi-September na, tapos November, bare months na, and then December, tapos kainan na naman. So I wish ginawa ko to matagal na kasi napakabilis talaga ng panahon. Yeah, so today, ang aking timbang is already at 67 kilograms. Yay! So for 1 month only, nagbawas ako ng 8 kilograms. And I never imagined na magagawa ko siya for just a month. Sa akin kasi, napaka-laking achievement na yun. Although siguro sa iba, hindi ganun kalaki. Pero for me, na sobrang hirap magpababa ng timbang. Kasi again, I have Polycystic Ovarian Syndrome and sobrang hirap sa amin na may ganitong condition or may ganitong symptoms ang magpababa ng timbang. Ang height ko lang is 5 feet flat. And I am on the obese category. So yeah, ang goal ko is sana bumaba ako ng kahit 50 kilograms man lang. Sobrang layo ko pa talaga sa aking goal, but we have to keep moving on. Anyway, so ano ba ang nangyari sa akin for the past 1 month? For those who are new, lalagay ko sa description box below yung mga links ng videos ko. I actually updated my progress on week 1, week 2, and then the last week 4. Unfortunately, hindi ko siya nagawa ng third week kasi naging busy sa trabaho and then may mga unavoidable circumstances. But yeah, so isa-summarize ko lang, nung week 1 is, ang ginawa ko lang is I watch what I eat. So, nag-diet ako. Hindi naman as in sobrang diet na diet. Kumakain pa rin ako 3 beses sa isang araw. Pero, nagbawas na ako ng sweets at tinanggal ko na ang kanin sa meal plan ko. So, yep. So, hindi na ako kumakain ng white rice. And, of course, the sweets, kung dati, umiinom ako ng kape na may 2 or 2 tablespoons of creamer, tapos 1 tablespoon of sugar. Ginawa ko siyang half tablespoon ng sugar na lang, or 1 teaspoon, and then hindi na ako nag-creamer. And also, nagdagdag na rin ako ng tea. And 1 week only, nagbawas ako ng 2 kilograms. So, bumaba ako ng 72 on the first week of July. And then on the second week, ganun pa rin yung diet ko. So, I still watch what I eat, pero nagdagdag na ako ng exercise. So, I actually did the 2-week shred challenge ni Chloe Ting. That was supposed to be for 2 weeks. Pero, unfortunately, nagawa ko lang siya ng 1 week, ng 7 days. That's why I was not able to post on the 3rd week. But on the 2nd week, nung nag-workout na ako, sa bahay lang, no equipments, andito rin yung video sa channel ko, nagbawas ako ng 3 kilograms. So, that made me really happy. So, bumaba na ako ng until 70 kilograms. And then, nung 3rd week, yun na, ganun pa rin naman yung diet ko. Wala pa rin carbs. And yung kape, fortunately, totally ko na siya natanggal. So, green tea na lang yung iniinom ko. Pero nag-steady yung weight ko ng 70 kilograms. And then, on the 4th week, I decided to do the 3-day water fast. So, andito rin yung video. And for 3 days only, nagbawas ako ng 3 kilograms. So, from 70 to 67. And that's what my weight right now. I started that 3-day water fast on July 27. I ended July 29th. So, yes. So far, I'm so happy. Let's see what happens for the month of August. I hope na magkaroon pa ako ng motivation na ituloy-tuloy ito dahil ang layo pa talaga ng goal ko. For those who are in the same page like me, and for those who have done this and already reached their goal, do you have any tips that you can share? Or pwede nating i-share sa lahat? Just go ahead and comment down below. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Update lang siya for the month of July, and wish me luck for this upcoming month or months. Until ma-reach natin yung goal. Thank you so much for watching my video. And again, for those who are new, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. Thank you again. You have a great day. Stay safe and healthy. Bye!